Proper installation is the first step in order to maximize crucible life by preventing early failure due to cracking. The following video is a step-by-step procedure for properly installing a crucible into a coreless induction furnace and is brought to you by Engineered Ceramics, a division of Salee Corporation. To install the crucible, we will need the crucible, dry ram, dust mask, ramming tools, safety glasses, flashlight, and a level. The dry ram should have a wide particle size distribution in order to maximize packing efficiency. The base ramming tool should have a large surface area, such as a cylindrical disc attached to a rod. The sidewall ramming tool should be half-moon shaped and curved to fit the OD of the crucible. While installing the crucible, always wear safety glasses and a dust mask or respirator. Always inspect crucible thoroughly before installing. Look crucible over for any damage or cracks and tap to make sure it has a bell-like ring. Never install a crucible with cracks. Make sure crucible is dry. If necessary, heat slowly to dry. If possible, store crucible in dry room or next to preheat ovens. After inspecting crucible, inspect furnace and repair coil grout if necessary. If furnace has leak detectors, make sure they are intact with the correct spacing and length. To ram base, add 2 to 3 inches of loose ram material to furnace. After adding ram material, level out and ram with base ramming tool until a hard, tight pack is achieved. Before adding next layer, scratch top surface of ram. This promotes knitting between layers and prevents laminations, which can cause crucible failure. After scratching, add 1 to 2 inches of loose material and ram to hard pack. If additional base ram thickness is required, scratch top layer and continue until required height is reached. The bottom of the crucible should roughly line up with the bottom of the furnace coil. At least 3 inches of base ram is recommended to provide support for the crucible. Once base ram is at required height, check the level of the base ram. If necessary, level the base ram with the straight edge and remove any excess material. Place crucible into furnace and center it. Firmly seat crucible using a twisting motion. Finally, check for level again. If crucible is not level, remove and add ram where needed and repeat until crucible is level. Once crucible is level, place weight in crucible. This prevents the crucible from floating or shifting during ramming. To ram sidewalls, start by scratching top layer of ram. Next, add 1 to 2 inches of loose ram material and level it out. Ram sidewalls with curved ramming tool until a hard pack is achieved. This should take approximately 3 to 5 passes with the ramming tool. Once next layer is packed hard, scratch top layer and add another 1 to 2 inches of loose ram material. Level out and ram to a hard pack. Continue this process until ram is 1 to 1.5 inches from the top rim of the crucible. Make sure top ram layer is packed hard. If necessary, scrape back ram to expose a dense top surface and remove any excess ram material. Work initial layer of cap material into dry backup to avoid laminations. Make sure top cap is pressed in firmly. Smooth top cap using very little water, since too much moisture in cap can cause cracking, spalling, and blistering during cure out. Complete desired spout shape and poke moisture escape holes in cap material. Holes should be spaced 1 to 2 inches apart and should go down all the way through the cap thickness. Do not poke any holes where there will be molten metal contact. Once the top cap is cured, the furnace is ready for use. Engineered Ceramics would like to give a special thanks to Cast Metals Institute for the use of their furnace. You can visit them at www.castmetals.com. For further crucible installation instructions, a PDF file with written procedures is included on this CD. We hope this video was useful, and if you have any questions, please contact us or visit us at www.engineeredceramics.com.